Kaboom. Can you say Happy Halloween to Auntie Ann?
Happy Halloween!
Say it again. Say it again, Finn.
Happy Halloween. You say Happy Halloween?
You say trick or treat? One more time.
It's dark outside, yes. What do you say when you go out on Halloween night?
You say trick or treat?
The door's open!
They're right by the door. Yeah, trick or treat, eh? Boo! Did you scare anybody?
George and Lacey, yeah.
What did Georgia go as? What was Georgia's costume?
Princess.
A princess. What was Lacey's costume? A what? Did Charlie have a costume? Or is Charlie too little?
I think he's a lion. There's 4 over here, honey.
So, can you get down on the floor and show us what your costume?
The door's open.
Yep.
Yeah, the door's open.
Can you get down on the floor and show us what your costume looks like? Model your costume. Here we go now.
Just show. Oh, where is he going?
There you go. Okay, we're... You guys, I'm so sorry. This is going to be the last piece. This is our last piece.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah?
You got some here, honey? There's some real backup stuff.
Yeah. Oh, Mom will be back in a minute. Yeah, Grandma went to the store. Now, can you say trick or treat? Where's your tail? Where's your tail? Where's your tail?
Where's the other shoe?
I got it in. Do you want your milk, honey?